Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting a screen lock on your Galaxy Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe up from the bottom of the watch screen to open the Apps menu. In the Apps menu, tap on the Settings cog. Scroll down the settings and tap Security. Then tap Lock. Tap Type. You can now choose between pattern or pin. Pin is more secure, so that's what I will be using. Enter your desired pin or pattern and tap the tick. Then enter it again to confirm and tap the tick again. Your pin or pattern is now set. The next time your watch screen locks when it is not on your wrist, you will have to put in the pin or pattern to unlock the screen. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Watch tips and tricks.